Welcome. When do you delete a student? If you've added a student by mistake or wish to remove a student from the list who doesn't have any transactions in the school, such as not being scheduled in any course, never graded, or never taken any attendance, you may delete the student. Now, let's walk through the steps. Go to the Students tab. Click on Student Information. A list of students will appear. Use the search option at the top left to find the student you wish to delete. After locating the student, check the box on the left side of the student's name. Go to the three dots present at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the three dots to open a drop-down menu. Find and click on the Delete option. A prompt will appear asking for confirmation. Click Yes to confirm, and the student will be deleted. Note: if the student has any association with the system, such as being scheduled in a course, having grades, or attendance records, you will not be able to delete the student.